Hi everyone, my name is Ross Bagurdes and welcome to my course, Network Layer Addressing and Subnetting. I'm a network engineer with more than 20 years professional experience managing enterprise networks and teaching people about them. The core of all things data networking, regardless if they're a traditional network or a software-defined network, is IP addressing. In order to fully grasp IP addressing, one must understand subnetting. Now, subnetting requires an understanding of some binary math and can be a challenge to learn in the beginning. However, this course will start with the basics and build up a solid skill set so you'll leave with a deep understanding of IP addresses and subnetting. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include how to convert binary numbers to decimal numbers to hexadecimal numbers and back again. We'll learn the structure of an IPv4 and IPv6 address and identify the different types of addresses for each protocol. We'll learn how to use the subnet mask to identify IP address types, as well as break up big IP networks into smaller ones using subnetting. Before beginning this course, you should be eager and ready to understand the IP address operation and try to suspend any anxieties you have about the math required to understand it. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn IPv4 and IPv6 addressing with the Network Layer Addressing and Subnetting course at Pluralsight.